guys, welcome back to the channel after the weekend. Last week and previous week we have finished two of the pre-malignant lesion of skin, that was actinic keratosis and keratoacanthoma. Okay, now we'll be starting the malignant lesion or the benign lesion, we can say. So we'll be starting with basal cell carcinoma today. Okay, let's start. Basal cell carcinoma, clinical pathogenesis and presentation. Basal cell carcinoma is the most common skin neoplasm. The ratio of basal cell carcinoma to squamous cell carcinoma of skin in sun-damaged skin is 5:1. तो बेसल सेल कार्सिनोमा और स्क्वामस सेल कार्सिनोमा का जो रेशियो है इन सन डैमेज स्किन इज़ 5:1. मगर मतलब अगर एक स्क्वामस सेल कार्सिनोमा है तो 5 बेसल सेल कार्सिनोमा है, मतलब इसका इंसिडेंस हाई है. Now, it is found in sun-exposed areas of face, shoulder and extremities. It is not seen on the lower lip and is less common on forehead or pinna of the ear compared to SCC of skin. तो हम लोग देखे थे स्क्वामस सेल कार्सिनोमा ऑफ स्किन, it is seen in lower lip, but basal cell carcinoma is not seen on lower lip and is less common on forehead or pinna of the ear. और अगर हम स्क्वामस सेल कार्सिनोमा से कंपेयर करें तो इट इज़ लेस कॉमन ऑन फोरहेड एंड पिन्ना ऑफ द ईयर. Now, there is a correlation of basal cell carcinoma to UV light, particularly UVB, that is 290 to 320 nm. तो ये जो UVB मतलब UV लाइट का भी कैटेगरीज होता है, UVA, UVB. तो जो बेसल सेल कार्सिनोमा है उनका कोरिलेशन UVB लाइट से है. ओके, जिसका रेंज है, वेवलेंथ है 290 to 320 nm नानोमीटर. ठीक है, एंड इट इज़ आइडेंटिफाई एज द प्राइमरी कार्सिनोजन is related both to time and degree of exposure. एक तो this is the primary carcinogen for BCC, and for both time and degree of exposure it is correlated. Now, high incidence after the age of 40 years. So BCC is more common in adult people, mainly after the age of 40 years, but nowadays it is also seen in younger इंडिविजुअल, क्योंकि क्या आ जा रहा है कि ओजोन लेयर डिप्लीट हो रहा है एंड ऑल दैट रीज़न. सो बट जो फैक्ट है दैट दे आर मोर कॉमन और हाई इंसिडेंस इज फाइंड आफ्टर द एज ऑफ 40 years. Okay, basal cell carcinoma is considered a malignant lesion by convention, but it does not have metastatic potential. So it is considered as a malignant lesion, but it does not have metastatic potential. This is an exception. Okay, क्योंकि हर malignant lesion has a metastatic potential. यही metastatic potential ही differentiate करता है एक malignant tumor और benign tumor को. But basal cell carcinoma is an exception, which is a malignant lesion by convention, but it does not have a metastatic potential. It remains a dangerous lesion because of its subtle and relentless growth potential that may cause it to be present as either a small scaly ulcer or as a large destructive lesion destroying the entire side of face. So it is considered as a dangerous lesion because या तो ये इतना छोटा एक स्केली अल्सर जैसा हो सकता है, नहीं तो ये इतना लार्ज और डिस्ट्रक्टिव होता है कि ये पूरा एक इंटायर साइड ऑफ द फेस को डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकता है. There are several histopathological types of basal cell carcinoma. However, the one that is most deeply infiltrative and destructive is basosquamous cell subtype. Okay, we'll be dealing about the different type of BCC, लेकिन ये एक माइंड में रख लो कि बेसोस्क्वामस सेल सब टाइप होता है वो सबसे ज़्यादा इन्फिल्ट्रेटिव और डिस्ट्रक्टिव होता है, बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ फीचर ऑफ बोथ बेसल सेल कार्सिनोमा एंड स्क्वामस सेल कार्सिनोमा. Okay, there are 5 recognized clinical type of basal cell carcinoma, each with its own growth pattern and implication for treatment. तो हम लोग 5 के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है. That's all for today's class. We'll be dealing this in next class. Till then, like, share, subscribe and comment.